What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are very well. So today I am literally just throwing clothes on and quickly doing my makeup because this video I didn't really plan until like 5 minutes ago. I've got an iPhone SE in rose gold. Obviously I've got cover on because I am just very clumsy. See, and then this is my case. Can you see it? Oh, I'll just take it out of charge. Look how cute that is. My sister got this little unicorn case for me back on my birthday. You know, you can check it. So where do we go? We've got messages, obviously. Classic messages. Shall I text my sister back? We're talking about... Oh my god. I'll cut that bit out. Right, okay. I'm going to open my message from my sister. If anyone is watching Riverdale and you've not seen this week's episode, so what's the date today? The 26th. So if you know in America, I think it was out last night. So 25th, 26th of April and you've not seen Riverdale, or you're very, very behind, like you're watching this from like a year now. Seriously. Just don't look what I'm about to say to my sister. Obvious. Cliff. Ah. Definitely. Oh, I don't know. Contacts in there, calendar, camera, FaceTime, and then what's this? I've named it crap because it's crap. I've got weather, my clock, maps, notes, calculator, news. Something I never go on. If I want to look at the news, I just swipe across and just go on there. Apps. I've got the App Store, settings, iTunes Store, reminders, which I never ever use. Is that a thing? Do you use reminders? Podcast, watch, which I don't think I'll ever get, like I have the money for that. Health, which I do check occasionally, but I do have another app which I'll show you in a minute, and then wallet, which I never use. And we've got Instagram, so this is my Instagram. Wait, is this charging? I don't know if it's charging or not. It's plugged in. Is it on? It's on. So of course we've got, ooh, Shawn Mendes. Oh my god, I need to pre-order the album, I just remembered. Oh, how incredible. Like, how incredible. Shawn Mendes, I follow quite a few like Shawn Mendes updates on Instagram. Is that a thing? Give it a like. We've got Pointless Blog, that's my friend. I think that tattoo is pretty, I really like that tattoo. We've just got all my friends on here. Someone's seen Avengers. Oh, I went to View last night to go see it. It was insane. If you've not seen Avengers yet, oh my god, you have to go see it. I and my friends going away this year. So yeah, that's my Instagram. It's my profile. This is my story so far. What have I done? This was me getting excited last night. Got 177 people saw it. 117 even. 439. That was insane. And then Riverdale. What's my sister just text me? Spoiler alert for Riverdale. Oh my god, it's about Avicii. Oh, what? And we have got Facebook. What's going on in Facebook? I'll give you a little glimpse of my Facebook. Oh yeah, family confirm. Oh, I've just opened Facebook and that's not something you want to see. It was just about... but yeah. Oh, why? I'm doing a video at such a wrong time. It's about Avicii and it's all on my feed. So sad. What's going on Snapchat? I'll take a Snapchat whilst we're here, shall we? My eyebrows look really bad today, but I just can't be bothered. What is this piece of hair doing as well? What Snapchat should we do? Oh, I've got like a pug attached to me. Okay. That's cute. Oh, I like that one. Oh my god. I like that one. This is my favourite one. We've got this one. I don't really like this one. It makes my face look even more potato shaped. Ooh. 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 This is cute, but I don't get why the wings are like here. What's this one? Oh my god, my little cactus! I'm gonna do one in a minute. This is what I need right now. I do need a facial. I like this one when I'm having like a hangover day. I'm like, it does that. We've got the classic dog and the classic Coachella flower piece and the classic like, oh, I have got fabulous skin. This is cute. It makes my eyes look super blue. This one I really like. It's like a head full of butterflies. This one's cute. Glasses on, glasses off. Oh, I really like the colour of that hair though. Like, hey, hey. Oh, it's so funny. Then we've got cute little cherries. That's cute. I like this one. This is nice. It makes me want to get a bandana. Actually, I think I have one. I really like this one with the hearts. Got a little bit of nose. And I really, really like the eyelashes. Ugh, what's going on here? Ooh, the eyelashes look nice. And then we've got I'm going to get a picture of this one. That's super cute. I'm gonna save it. Photos. Obviously I've just took that one. I have a lot of screenshots. Oh my god, my cat's in vets. They were both hiding in the what do you call it? In the little cage, and I was like, oh, my babies. Yeah, just like, oh, I did try and vlog last week, but that did not work out. Twitter, obviously we've got Twitter, and then we've got Pokemon Go. Yeah, I've got phone, and then we've got emails, then we've got music, and then we've got my Safari. Next page, already. WhatsApp, last WhatsApp what I got was my grandma this morning. I don't even understand it. Yeah, then my next one is my Fitness Pal. I really, really like this app in regards to fitness. I have used this. How many days have I logged in a row? Are you ready? I'm like doing it every single day. A week ago, I logged in for 550 days in a row. 550 days. I'm like, it's amazing. I'll probably just put in, but this is what I do with my health. It tracks my steps and things like that. So, and sometimes it keeps. Look how much bad stuff I've been eating this week. What did I have this morning? I had frozen mango. Not from Asda there, but they were from Farm Food, but it's all the same. Then I had my, is it Lancashire? This one. I didn't have a gold bar. Ah, someone's liked my Musical.ly, that's very sweet, thank you. Then we've got Candy Crush, which really should be in gaming, which is like here. Then we've got YouTube stuff, which is YouTube, iMovie, so obviously they're like my main things. I've got my Facebook page, Play Memories, which is part of my camera, Hype Tag, which I actually do need to delete now because you have to pay, which I've already paid for it, but they're like, no, you have to pay even more, and I'm like, no, because I've already paid to take the watermark off. And you know, I have to pay like monthly something, so I think I might delete that. Documents for any like things with uni and stuff like that, what I need. We've got Musical.ly, what's giving me quite a few notifications, it's going crazy. We've got Influencer, which is more like free stuff. We've got Huji, which is like a camera app. We've got Vera, and then obviously I've got Record It because I like to record things on my phone. Then going into gaming, which Candy Crush should be up there, and I've got workout stuff in gaming. Really not gaming. I've got Best Fiends and Mobile Legends. I absolutely love Mobile Legends, I'm not gonna lie. I think I might do a little game after this. And then we've got 3 different workout apps. They're really, really good apps actually. And I also have this bodyweight one, which I think I need to sort out my phone really, don't I? Everything which is layout, so you know, if you've got remember later, you know, God, look at that old photo of me, that was really, really old. Yeah, that's what I do to do all my layouts. Then we've got easy square if I want a border around it, which I think I ended up paying like £1 something, and it was completely worth it. I do like that. We've got Pinterest, eBay, the Hun. I love the Hun. Actually, I've been trying to find something on the Hun and no one has responded. Nope, no one's responded to it. iHull, which is the Hull University app. Student, which is the student app for Hull Uni. Uni days. We have another workout thing. Then we've got Meerkat Movies, and then Bitmoji, because I have my own Bitmoji. Don't have multicoloured hair though, I've only got pink hair in that. A little extra, iBooks, never use. Voice memos, never use. Tips, never use. Find iPhone, never use. British Gas, obviously, because I like to keep track, even though it's always down, like all the time. I'm like, eh. Nectar, because Nectar points. PayPal, because PayPal, barely ever use that anymore as well. I just don't ever buy anything anymore because I have no money. Fan Friends, and then Compass. Then we have Legend, which is like an editing thingy. Pixlr, which is editing. Bodyweight, which is more like, obviously it says it in the name, it's more bodyweight things. Canva, which is editing. Preview, which is editing, which I'm not too sure about because you have to pay monthly for that, and it's quite expensive for someone who's a student. I don't have that type of money. View, cinema, and then the new Harry Potter game. Yes, the new Harry Potter game, which I'm very, very happy about. But yeah, that's exactly what I've just shown you on my phone. That's everything what I've got. I'm not hiding anything. Haven't got anything too much. What is your favourite app? Please let me know it down below so I can go have a look at it. Have you got the same apps as me? You know, I use my phone a lot just for YouTube. That's what I mainly use it for. I would maybe get a different phone if I could maybe afford a Mac or something like that, you know what I mean? Remember to go hit the subscribe button, it'd be muchly appreciated. See you again in my next video. I love you lots.